Hello, everybody. I'm back. And I wanted to talk to you today actually about trading the stock market or whatever financial markets you're looking at here. You can see behind me here, we've got, oh, sorry, I should go this way. The Dow Jones Industrial, it's called the DIA, so it is an ETF, but let's forget that for a second. Very important thing that we must remember when we're trading any type of product, and that could even be mutual funds, within your investment plan, retirement pension plan, your Roth IRA, whatever it's called, an RSP. We've got all sorts of different names depending on the country you're in. But how you're trading comes down to what you're thinking. You've got to have patience. You've got to have calm and balance in your life. Because again, here you can see the world was coming to an end here as the Dow Jones was falling. We are almost right back all the way up. I'm going to update this chart for another session, but I wanted to sort of re-emphasize, the newspaper was indicating that the world was coming to an end. Stock market was falling like crazy and is right out of control. And now we've recovered. So what were you thinking during these times? If you're using good, clear trading strategy, good psychology, and psychology does come into it, it is important. Then again, I'm going to say that you can beat the markets, but you're going to be trading with the markets. You're not going to beat the markets, actually. That's the worst idea you could ever have. You could probably beat the average investor or the average trader, but you're going to be trading with the markets. When you see things starting to fall, you're going to sell. And when you see them bouncing off of the bottom, possibly some good opportune times to buy. But again, psychology. Why would we do this? And again, we don't buy as the market's going down. I've seen different trading strategies where they said, oh my God, yes, if it was a good deal yesterday, it's an even better deal today because the price is lower. That makes no sense at all. We buy when we find nice turning points. We're not going to buy right at the very bottom, and we're not going to sell at the very top either. But we're going to find nice signals that give us a good indication. And then we're going to put in some security measures in place, like a little insurance policy, so that you can't lose too much money. Isn't that the way it should be? So again, if you need help with this, talk to me about coaching and education. My first ebook is about ready to come out, so I'm getting ready to launch that imminently this month. And I'm very excited to start at the very basics, keeping it super simple. I mean, isn't that how it should be? And it can be that simple. If you want to be trading the likes of Tesla and Amazon and Facebook, they're rocketing stocks, or Google, there's another good example. They're high volatility stocks. Yes, there is additional risk with them, simply because they're high flying stocks and they have a lot of high volatility. We can see that. That's why people get excited about them, because you could make $1 million overnight. Yeah, well, but you could also lose quite a bit of money as well. So again, one of the keys there is, again, psychology. Which stocks should you be trading in? There are so many out there. There's over 2,800, I think, on the NASDAQ alone. Pick one. You got more than one a day for how many years before you'd even run out of every stock that you had tried? Some of them aren't worth trading. So my focus is on higher probability, higher safety factors, but again, tried and tested methods and techniques. So again, what's in your head? Let's get it straight. Let's get you going, because this isn't difficult. It just takes a little bit of discipline. Literally, I'm saying a little bit of discipline and some good observation. Look at the chart behind me. There's so much information just literally on that chart alone. And now we're going to go to the next step. So again, give me a call, contact me, send me a private message, and I'll be in touch. Thanks, everybody, and you have a great week, and good luck with your trading. Bye-bye.